Dear students, now let us solve 13th question of exercise 2.5 from triangles lesson. D and E are points on the side CA and CB respectively of triangle ABC, right angled at C. Prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Now, here D and E are points on the sides CA and CB of triangle ABC, which is right angled triangle. Now, draw right angled triangle ABC. Now, you have to name the triangle. Here, the vertex where the 90-degree angle is there you have to write C. Then anywhere you can write A and B. So this is triangle ABC, right angled at C. Now see there, D and E are points on the sides CA and CB of triangle ABC. D is point on CA. You can mark point D anywhere on CA. E is point on CB. Mark point on CB. Name it as E. Now we have to prove that A square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. To get A square, join AE. Then BD square we want, so join BD. Then we want AB square to prove. So it is already there. Side AB is there. Now we want D square, so join D. Now let us prove AE plus BD square is equal to AB square plus D square. Now we want A square plus BD square on the left hand side. So look at the side AE. AE is the side of right angled triangle ACE. So if we apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle ACE, then we will get A square. A is the hypotenuse of triangle ACE. So A square is equal to C square plus AC square. Now write down A square is equal to C square plus C square. Now we got A square. After that we want BD square. So look at the side BD. Side BD is a side of triangle BCD, which is right angled triangle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. In triangle BCD, angle C is 90 degree. So BD is the hypotenuse. BD square is equal to BC square plus, so BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. Now we got A square and BD square from these two equations. And on the right side we want AB square. So look at the side AB. AB is side of triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree. So apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle ABC, where angle C is 90 degree. So AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. Now we want D square. So look at the side DE. It is a side of triangle DCE. So apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle DCE. So D square is equal to DC square plus C square. Now take these equations as equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now to prove A square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus D square. On the left hand side we want A square plus BD square. So add equation 1 and 2. Then we will get A square plus BD square is equal to C square plus CA square plus BC square plus CD square. Now we got left hand side of the equation that we have to prove. But on the right hand side we want AB square and D square. Now look at equation 3. AB square is equal to BC square plus CA square. So BC square plus CA square can be written as AB square. Now see there, BC square plus CA square is equal to AB square. And look at equation 4, where D square is equal to AC square plus CD square. So AC square plus CD square can be written as D square. Now we got A square plus BD square is equal to D square plus AB square. We have written CA square plus BC square is equal to AB square from 3 and C square plus CD square is equal to D square from 4. Hence proved.